In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on email approval requests in HubSpot so your marketing emails get reviewed before they go out. If you work with a team and want to avoid mistakes, this feature is a must. Let's jump right in. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the top menu and click on Marketing. From the drop-down, select Email. This is where you manage all your marketing emails. Now we need to enable the approval feature. To do that, go to the top right corner and click the Settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This opens your main settings panel. Inside Settings, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in Email Approval to quickly find the right section. Click on the Email Approval settings when it appears. Here's the important part. You'll see an option to turn on email approval requests. There will be a toggle switch next to it. Switch that on. Once you enable it, you've activated the approval system. That means emails can't be sent until they've been reviewed. Next, you need to choose who will approve your emails. Look for the option to add approvers. Click it and you'll be able to select team members from your organization. Choose people who are responsible for reviewing content, usually a marketing manager, team lead, or brand supervisor. After selecting approvers, you can customize how the approval process works. For example, you can decide if approvals need to happen in a specific order, or if any one approver can give the green light. You can also control how notifications are sent so your team knows when something needs review. Once everything looks good, don't forget to click Save. If you skip this step, your changes won't apply. Now, whenever someone creates a marketing email, they'll need to request approval before sending it. The selected approvers will get notified, review the content, and either approve it or send it back for edits. This small setup can prevent costly mistakes, protect your brand voice, and improve teamwork. Instead of rushing emails out, you now have a clear review process in place. And that's how you turn on email approval requests in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.